Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make rosehip oil that will help to nourish, hydrate, repair skin damage, and it is also great for nourishing the scalp. So stay tuned to find out how I make this oil. So to make this rosehip oil, I'll be using dried rosehip. You can get this in any food health shop. You can also decide to use the fresh rosehip, but using the dry rosehip will make this oil to last longer. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of dried rosehip. I'm going to blend this with my coffee blender. You can decide to use your mortar to crush it so that the rosehip seed can infuse properly. With the help of the coffee blender, I have blended the rosehip seed. So I'm going to add it into a bowl. So I'll be adding the blended rosehip seed into a clean, dried jar. Done adding the blended rosehip seed into the jar, I'll be making use of oil. You can choose to use almond oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil that will not clog your pores. So I'm going to add enough oil to cover the blended rosehip seed. So when I'm done adding the oil, I'm going to stir so that it will mix properly. At this stage, you can decide to use double boiler method to quickly extract all the nutrients into the oil. But if you don't want to use the double boiler method, you can leave this oil to infuse for some weeks. I'm going to infuse the rosehip seed. So I will cover the jar, give it a good shake, and leave it to sit for about 2 weeks or more. After about 2 weeks, you can notice that the oil has changed color because all the nutrients has infused into the oil. Then I'm going to be using a chiffon cloth to sieve to get the oil, or you can decide to continue infusing it and take the oil whenever you want to use. But I want to sieve the oil. Hip oil is a powerhouse of essential fatty acid. It contains vitamin C, E, and B. It also helps to nourish, hydrate the skin, and it also contains scalp healing properties, which are very good for our hair. When I'm done sieving, you can store this in a clean, dried container. Finally, the rosehip oil is ready. It will help to nourish, hydrate, heal the skin, and also repair any skin damage. This oil is also good for the hair because to keep the hair and scalp nourished. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.